On a sunny Viking morning, Hiccup is ready to set sail, but as soon as he steps on his ship, it starts to morph into a vibrant, bottomless sea of rubber ducks. The mast stretches, forming a comical accordion, and the deck turns into a delightful patchwork quilt of colors that bounce Hiccup and Toothless up and down with every wave. Suddenly, a swarm of googly-eyed fishes circles the ship, giggling and tossing splashy confetti everywhere, challenging Hiccup to a fun-filled race. With a chuckle, Hiccup hoists a sail made of giant pastel candies and sets course for the sparkling Rainbow Islands, where the water's surface reflects endless rainbows. Through this wacky voyage, Hiccup learns the magic of embracing the unexpected while having the time of his life with Toothless by his side.